officially. So I've been wanting to show you guys the nursery for the longest time, but we've been painting and putting decor in here, and then Elijah so gratefully got sent some things from different brands, so I had to find storage and do all that good stuff. But it's finally ready to show you guys before, you know, things get out of disarrayed. No, I'm trying to say, before he comes home. So I wanted to show you guys. His room is right across the hall from ours, and I started out this room mostly buying things from Hobby Lobby, to be honest with you. I got this paint color, both colors, from Home Depot. I don't remember the shades, but I thought they were super cute, and I wanted something that was pretty neutral. I didn't want anything in his room that was too like boy, if that makes sense. So we went the greens. I got these animal prints from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale for like 50% off at the time, so I got all three and just kind of situated them on the wall where this sloth is a little bit higher just because the prints were a little uneven. I think that had to do with it being 50% off, but I think it turned out cute. And these hooks I got from Target. They were from the Hearth and Hand collection, and I thought they were super cute, and again, neutral. So we put those up, and I hung up these cute little things that my great-grandma got Elijah this bib, and my aunt actually made that towel for him, so we thought those were cute to display. And then I didn't do much with like the furniture in here. Honestly, we went with just the dresser to make it also the changing table station, just to preserve space in this smaller room. So we got this from IKEA, and then I just bought a standard little changing table pad from our stores nearby. This is from Target as well. And then I just, you know, made it a little area we could take care of him, do all of his care stuff, and I keep all my pump pieces in here as well. And then going farther down is just more of his clothes. These are all his like newborn to 3 onesies and zip ups. I just kind of organized them where they'd be easy to just go with the flow. We don't always have to like track sizes down. And then this is my drawer of like all my postpartum care really that I got sent from Freedom Mom, so I'm super grateful, and I just put it all down here. And then we just have the trash can next to that we got from Bye Bye Baby. This whole situation is also from IKEA. We thought it was super cute. We wanted a rocking chair, and then Riley had to have this little foot rest because I don't know, just comfortability I think for him, because it's much smaller of a chair for him to like stretch out in rather than for me. It's pretty comfortable, so got this just for extended room for him really. And then we just put my little journal there for like his bump dates and all that. And this is from At Home. Yes, At Home. And then I just put up this little book nook right above. And I just thought it would be super cute to be able to grab the books and just sit down in the chair and just have a super cozy time with him as he gets bigger. All of my books I got for this little station are literally from TJ Maxx because they're just the cheapest, and they have a really good selection. So I just got a bunch of books and put them up there. This is also from At Home as well. This is not part of his room, but when you have dogs, it's an essential. Moving on, so in this section I really didn't have anything to put here, and I did not want to put more wall decor up because it was just going to be way too cluttered. So I just put his For Moms Mamaroo right here, and I'm hoping he really likes it. Obviously I haven't got a chance to actually put him inside of it since he's been at the hospital, so I'm really have high hopes. And I was gifted this. It was not something that I was really going to buy, but I'm super grateful, and I think it'll be really helpful because he does honestly like movement when he's going to sleep. So up here is our final wall for his crib. We got these 2 shelves from Hobby Lobby as well with his Aunt Anita, and I really got all of the decor with Anita. She was so helpful in figuring out how everything was just going to flow. We got the E as well, and then we got this one, our Baby Moon to Disney for him. This was also from Hobby Lobby, and then this is something my aunt made for him, and his noise machine, and our outlet camera. Lastly, for the crib, I got this from the like military store version of, like, I guess you could call it like our Walmart per se. So I ordered this. Is like the Delta crib. I don't remember exactly the whole spiel for it, but I wanted a convertible crib really bad so that he could grow into something. I wasn't big on buying things that we couldn't keep growing with, because I think eventually we probably do want to do baby number 2 as well. So it'd just be helpful to have something that can just work for all ages, so we don't have to keep buying things, especially in this life when we're moving a lot. That just wasn't going to be very helpful. So we settled for this crib, and then we got his bedding from Bye Bye Baby. This was super cute. We thought it went with his animal theme really good. And then this is something that I got from my wife on post, so just something that she was selling, so I just got it and picked it up from her. And I thought it'd be nice because I wanted something that was like the Snuggle Me, which I ended up buying this Black Friday, honestly, so I'm gonna have both of the same type of thing. But originally I didn't think I was gonna buy it. I got this I think she said it was a boppy, a version of a boppy that he could snuggle into. That wasn't the standard kind of like breastfeeding one, but I think it's super cute, and I will be getting a different cover for it. I think this is just like the actual pillow with all this writing, but I'm gonna get a cover for it here soon so it's more neutral and flows better. Moving on to this section of his nursery. I mean, it's not really that messy, honestly, but we got a lot of Black Friday things, so I just kind of put them here until we can get it kind of situated. But I actually got this on Black Friday. This is going to be his big boy car seat. We have the original Safety First infant one in my car right now, and this was on sale for like 40% off, I think. So just went and got it. Again, something convertible we can grow with and then use for possible baby number 2 as well. And then this is just the Safety First stroller. We also got this for a Veterans Day sale, I believe. It's like right before my birthday. So we got this when we got the infant car seat. I think they were in a bundle, so we just did that. And I really wanted something that he could like lay down in. I thought the bassinet style was super cute, so yeah, had to have. My mom like swears by the bassinet convertible styles of strollers. She said my youngest brother, like, he was born in September, so 2 months before Elijah, so I was really asking her about all the things she like swears by and her must-haves, and a bassinet convertible stroller was one of them, so had to have that when I saw it in a Safety First bundle. Moving on to his closet, I have done a lot of different organization styles in here, but I think this is the one we're gonna settle with. Again, kind of putting some things away still. I got this on the Black Friday sale on Amazon. I didn't want him to be laying on the same floor that my dogs walk on. It just doesn't sit right with me, even though we keep it really clean. But I got this so we can just lay it out and he can do tummy time on that, and I can have peace of mind, basically. Same for these. This is from Old Navy. He has a little onesie that matches with it, so these are our family Christmas pajamas for this year. And then this is just his pack and play. It's just gonna stay there for now until I can get like everything pretty much situated in there in a nice way, if possible. But for all of the rest of his clothes, I just have them organized from newborn to 3 to 6 and so on, from whatever was in his drawer in the dresser. These are just all of the remainders, also organized, so we can just go ahead and pull them out and put them into the dresser when it's time. And then these cubicles, I swear by, I had them all throughout middle school and high school in my rooms. I just like to have them as an organization option. So I got these little tubs from Target, and I also got this cubicle itself from Target. And these also have more clothes and his toys. For his toys, another must-have of mine was honestly the Love Every packages. I really wanted to get into them, but he ended up having them sent to him for the first month. They have a bunch of different packages for the different age groups your baby goes through. So Elijah has the newborn package, and I thought it was super cute because they just sent a bunch of, like, I don't know, I was having a hard time figuring out what to get him as far as what could keep him busy and what could, I don't know, interest him in general. I've never had a baby before, so I didn't know exactly what they would be into or what they could even handle. So they sent him this cute little package. So they sent him this little booklet for tummy time, just to like prop up for him to be able to look at while he's doing tummy time, which we don't know, it's just for him to be able to get more control on his neck. And so I'm really excited for this. He is like a really curious boy, and he really loves his passies and things like that. So I feel like these little hangable squishy toys will be super good. For his gym, they sent him as well for tummy time. I don't have that laid out right now. I will show you guys like an overview picture of what it is going to look like when it's all set up. I just want my dogs to mess it up. I don't trust them enough while they're still also in their baby stage, but I'm super excited. He's going to love playing with these and just trying to reach up and interact with them, as well as these other extra high contrast cards they sent. This really cute mobile. I have not set it up yet just because, like I said, we've been going over and over with how we're doing this room before we really get finalized with it. With Elijah coming early, it's just another surprise to keep nesting, but I'm super excited to hang this up and get him interacting with things and just watching him discover life. And I'm really excited that I have all these cute toys from Love Every to be able to do so. And I just want to say thank you, Love Every, for gifting Elijah these. We are so excited. And I definitely will be investing in the other packages they have. Like I said, it goes upwards from newborn with all the toys that would be age appropriate for your children to help them explore and just be curious. Another baby mom essential, I guess this goes more into the mom area because it's more like feeding for your baby, but is the Maleah pumps. I absolutely love the one I have. I'm renting it from the hospital I was just staying at, but I probably will be getting the other version of the more portable pump they have. I really love how it's just helped my supply come in so strong, and I literally rave about them to every mom friend I have. I was really nervous about my supply and just pumping in general, but it's actually turned into something that I prefer over breastfeeding. So I definitely swear by trying these types of pumps when you're just starting to build your supply, whether you look into renting from your hospital as well or this is just a pump you start out with. Like I said, I also have the Mom Cozy pumps, and I have heard fantastic things about those, and I'm sure I'll also be swearing by that here soon. But for starting out like your first month and a half, I think it's better to start out with more medical grade pumps. So I went with this one for right now. I also absolutely love their milk storage bags and the Mom Cozy milk storage bags. They're my favorite in the entire world. I got sent some bags from Mom Cozy, and I used literally all of them in 2 days. That doesn't tell you how much milk supply I have, but I absolutely love them, and I've been using them to store my milk in the freezer so I can build up a stash at home for now, because milk lasts about 9 months in the freezer. So I've just been creating a stock so that we have that for if Riley's home alone, or if I can't pump because I just did it recently, or whatever situation comes up, we have milk. And I absolutely recommend those. Going on with that too, I also really love the Freedom Mom breast milk pads. I wear them literally all the time, and they aren't thick at all. I honestly forget a lot of the time. I'm like, oh, did I even put these on? And I'll rush to the bathroom, and there they'll be. They're super thin, but I have not had any leakage now that I've been wearing them regularly. I wasn't at first. It was kind of hit or miss, or you know, whatever. I don't really recommend sleeping in them so much. They do kind of get messed up if you're a heavy sleeper like me. I still do wake up with milk at night leaking, so I just kind of written that off as like a me issue though, to be honest. But I do highly recommend these for just day to day. And I think also Lanoche, or however you say that, they have some as well that I have too that I do like a lot. That's kind of it right now for like mom and baby stuff that I'm really loving right now, just because I obviously don't have Elijah here to use a lot of like the care things I have and the clothes and things like that. So once we are all moved in and settled, I'll be doing an updated version of things that I swear by for new moms and the babies and things upon your registry. So I'll definitely be doing that. But as of right now, those are my favorite things that I had to tell you about. I don't think I said too when I was showing you guys the closet, all of his clothes, like literally all of his clothes, are from Old Navy. So if you're into more like gender neutral things, like I was saying, I didn't want anything that was really like screaming I'm having a baby boy type of thing. I really wanted them to have more neutral and like, I don't know, sophisticated, mature clothes, if that makes sense. I know he's a baby, but I really like what we have right now compiled in his closet. I think it all just looks really cohesive, and like I said, just a little bit more, I didn't know, I feel like you know what I'm saying. But yeah, as of right now, that is his nursery. I am really obsessed with how it turned out. This room was really bare, and just I we weren't really doing much of anything with it. It used to be Riley's game room, so it has really transformed into something very cute, and I'm very excited for Elijah to be able to use it. If you enjoyed this video, I know it was kind of short, but I am going to go get ready now and go see my baby soon. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support during this time of our NICU journey with Elijah. And yeah, I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.